swing down the page, retracement back to 61% level, structure coming in there. I'm definitely going to look for some shorts here. If you look at euro neutral, I'm not after that, but I'm after the long yen, which is very, very strong at present. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 11 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the US dollar, the Swiss franc and the yen, and short on the Aussie, the CAD and the New Zealand. Let's kick off with the dollar index giving up on that sneaky level and selling off last night quite heavily, showing that we could potentially move into what we call a triangle, a consolidation period again. So the fact that it failed to make a new high and the fact that it fails to make a new low here could bring us into a sideways range. However, a triangle like this is still a trend continuation pattern in general. 70% of the time, it continues to trend. If this turns out to be a triangle, that means we should see it breaking down for another leg down the page. Other than that, if it breaks up higher, then the whole triangle theory is gone, and I won't use that. But haven't tested that. That shows some weakness, but haven't tested the low, showing some strength, and that's the problem with sideways ranges. But we will keep our eye on this. On the medium term, long term and short term, I'll stay bearish on the dollar. Under my intraday charts, I'm staying bullish on the dollar for now, although I've got an excellent short on the mentoring program on the US yen for different reasons than what we cover here. We got the euro yen short and the US yen short, so it looks lovely. There are opportunities where we can go against our dollar strength indicator, but it's following the medium, long term and short term trends that we can spot here. Looking at gold pushing that all-time highs. We are $1,000,000 away from it. I think the high was 31 or something like that. Yes, 25.31. So when it hits 25.32, that means we earn another all-time high, and this consolidation period is played out. Hopefully a nice strong move. I just hope it's not a spike and a sell-off again, but a nice strong move. I won't trade the breakout. That's not something I will do. I'll look at how the breakout looks. Is it a strong candle, the retest, the candle reversal? That's when I will add to my daily trade. But we got the long here on the bullish engulfing, on the hammer candle, and now we're starting to look good. At this stage, if you're really nervous about this trade, you may trail your stop loss to this low here, roughly at 24.79. That reduces the risk from 24.65 to about $14, so that's not bad at all. That still leaves us with a risk of about $20 on the trade. But looking good, nothing I will do. I won't do anything else. I won't add to the trades, nothing. I won't trade the breakout. Got my position filled here, so I'm hoping for the best. Bitcoin, after another strongish kind of day yesterday, selling off. Across the board, all the cryptocurrencies selling off suddenly. If you look at the charts, guys, it's mainly they retested some resistance levels. That's why I always say you cannot just jump in because you see some strong white candles. If you look at most of the cryptocurrencies, you'll see it's strong resistance levels coming in. I'm not going to go to the charts now. If you look at XRP, Solana, all those guys, you'll see they all hit the previous support levels and now turning bearish again for another leg down the page. That's why my trend indicator here tells me do not buy. So I stay out of it for now because the trend is bearish or consolidate. But on the long term, I'm still very, very bullish. Remember, when in doubt, scroll out just to make sure what are we busy with. We're busy with this big bull trend, and I'm just stepping aside on the shorter time frames. That's all. I still do my dollar averaging every single month. Then Aussie CAD gave you that short there. Told you yesterday morning to trail the stop loss to this high plus 15 pips, and that got trailed out, unfortunately. But still a 1-to-1 risk reward, still a nice profit. Well done for those guys that took that trade, and we've made some great money there. Between all the other trades we do on my mentoring program, we're looking really, really, really good. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then the Nasdaq with a dollar that's strong there, stock market bearish. I'm looking for shorts here, and I got structure. Nice support and support turning into resistance yesterday. Unfortunately, not good enough candle reversal here. If this black candle closed below the halfway mark here, I would have rated this as an evening star. But it's not. It's not a bearish engulfing. It's nothing. It's not a candle pattern reversal. So when I look at it against the resistance level still there, So I'm looking at a test again, another candle reversal. As long as the dollar stays strong here, I'll then attempt some shorts. And the euro yen, swing down the page, retracement back to 61% level, structure coming in there. I'm definitely going to look for some shorts here. If you look at euro neutral, I'm not after that, but I'm after the long yen, which is very, very strong at present. So shorting this will give me the long on the yen, and that I'll do once the bears can prove themselves right at that 61% level. My mentoring program, we had a nice short running down the page here, which is very, very nice. On the pound yen, similar scenario. Pound I'm not after, but I'm after the long on the yen, and shorting the pound yen will give me that long on the yen. So a retracement back to the 50-61% level. Structure coming in there, very strong level, but I see a retest, a candle reversal. I'll then consider some shorts. Then on the New Zealand yen, the similar chart. You can see I'm trying to go long yen by shorting other currencies against the yen. So you can see here, New Zealand red zone, yen green zone. Yes, I'm after the New Zealand short also, but shorting this will give me the short on the New Zealand and a long on the yen, right at structure, right at 61% level. If I can get the bears to prove themselves with a strong candle reversal, I'll definitely take some shorts. On the pound Aussie, not after the pound, but I'm after the Aussie short, and going long here will give me the Aussie short. I explained this yesterday morning also, little double bottom or a triangle coming in, strong break. So the retest when it gets back here at the 61% level at structure here, that's the area I'll get interested, not up there. I'm interested in the level on a retracement. So if I can get a retest here, a nice test, a strong reversal, bulls proving themselves, I'll take some long positions. US CAD, showed this yesterday to you on a little breakout trade. If you're in the trade, just pull stop loss to entry, can't lose money. Other than that, I'm going to wait for a retest and a candle reversal to take another long position if I get stopped out on the break-even scenario. Target 1.618 fib of the last directional swing. If you look at dollar green zone, CAD red zone, so I want to be long here, and that's an ideal space to look at it. Euro Australian dollar, euro not after that, but after the short and the Aussie, and going long here will give me the short and the Aussie, but not in this mess. I wanted to retrace to come and test the structure here right at 61% level. So if the bears can push it down slightly and the bulls can take control here on a nice candle reversal, I'll then definitely take some long positions. On the New Zealand US, we've been watching this since yesterday, and we've been looking at this. This is not a candle reversal, so I didn't take that. So now selling off, now attempting to test again. So I'm looking at the test. If it tests and a strong candle reversal, I'll still consider some shorts here. Look at the New Zealand, still almost bottom of the pile, the second worst currency in the world at present. Dollar very strong, so I want to be short here. I'm just waiting for confirmation of the bears. But trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.